In this demo, I'm going to quickly show you how you can automate your billing and payments using Wise's end-to-end financial management solution, Wiise Collect. We'll dive into each feature from collecting payments with Stripe to automatically importing transactions via our ACSISS bank feeds, monitoring the status of transactions in Wiise, and quickly reconciling your accounts with Microsoft Copilot. All these features combined allow you to seamlessly manage your accounts receivable from start to finish, eliminating errors and manual entry, and helping you to reduce the time it takes to close your month end and get paid. With our Stripe integration, collecting payment from customers is fast and easy. Using our invoice templates that are populated with your customers' details, you can give customers the ability to pay online by clicking on the secure payment link. Customers will be able to choose from various payment methods, including cards, digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay, buy now, pay later, and bank transfers. And it is tailored to local and international markets, allowing you to accept payments globally. Stripe's Secure Payment Gateway automatically detects and prevents fraudulent transactions and anonymizes card details to protect sensitive data. Plus, it has built-in Know Your Customer, anti-money laundering, and tax reporting features to ensure you comply with government regulations. Once you've received payment from customers, you can quickly import transactions into Wiise without having to log into your bank account or download spreadsheets. Using Wise's secure, real-time bank feeds, you can quickly and accurately import transactions from multiple bank accounts with all major Australian and New Zealand banks. These transactions include cash receipts, fees, and interest. This lets you see all your transactions in one place and eliminates any risk of error, saves you a significant amount of time, and is far more secure than having a file of spreadsheets saved on your computer. Once you've connected your bank accounts to Wiise, you can get a snapshot of your financial position and monitor all transactions within Wiise at any time. This helps you to stay up to date with sales performance, overdue payments, cash balance, and cash flow forecasts. Plus, you can proactively manage your finances by sharing insights or following up on any outstanding or overdue payments. When it comes time to reconcile your accounts, Wiise makes this incredibly easy. Automatically pull all your transactions and consolidate them into Wiise to significantly reduce your time spent on bank reconciliation for you and your staff. Simply select the date range you wish to reconcile and let our rule-based matching and AI do the work for you. Wiise will cleverly match invoices with payments, and Microsoft Copilot will even match lump sum payments, so you don't have to spend hours combing through figures line by line. Better yet, Copilot will suggest which account to post the transaction to, and you can even teach Copilot to recognize transactions so it's even faster to reconcile accounts in the future. From collecting payments to connecting your bank accounts, monitoring transactions, and reconciling your month end, Wiise Collect streamlines your accounts receivable and provides you with end-to-end financial management in one platform.